I have made the complete the Next.js style WordPress fastest theme. So WordPress fastest theme, you will check the live website. So this is the live website I have installed. So here, when you click any category, so check, you can increase the time. So this is when you click animal, just open without the page load, it will open the animal. So any post you click, just click the post when it's open and check it is the fastest. Also showing the all page rules, fitting the related post to implement it, also the next and previous option. So also when you click the another animals, like in a second post when you hit it, so check how much fastest it open. Also when you click the behavior, like without page load, each category is loading and find. Like when you click the fact, so animal fact is open, all post is showing fine. Also when you click the science, animal science, it's also working on the title, also the animal 49 total post also showing here, also showing everything. So care and tips button, this is the category when you click. So how much fastest, just here when you install and enjoy this. So this theme I aim to make our WordPress theme as a Next.js site loaded super fastest without the page loading showing. Without the page loading, we will showing the how much fastest it. So I hope you got it what I wanted to make. So this is the story, or also the story check. My aim is to show like my portfolio. When I click my portfolio goes, so check, so without page loading, or this is the next is built, so I custom build. So like the rate limiting, so here is also a rate limiting option. When you hit the many page at a time, you will go to the page limit option. Okay, at present this is the showing from case, so check how much super fastest. So this is the yes good. So check without page loading any page it will open, like contact page, click, check without page loading it will open first. Same way we have implemented. So this is the home page and this is the animal pages. Check how much fastest. Check the one category, behavior category, each category it will be fastest. What you thinking? So to make your news portal or news or press or any theme, you can enjoy for the plugin, so you can consider it using. So at present I have published in the GitHub, you can download it and you can enjoy it. Okay, and this is the theme option. So this is the blog theme, you can company and gallery service option also. So create in the post detail, you can edit the post, create a date, update, author name, you can hide it also. So in instant navigation you can hide also. So please open the full page reload, you can stop. So then also we have made the your storage, like one image uploaded, WordPress automatically upload multiple image file, like this version, this version, this version, man, there's many versions. So our theme will option to delete existing extra thumbnail. So one post it will be one file. So our theme make your storage also better from the others theme. So here is also add option. So header add, below add, and after feature image, before content, after content, related post area connect, and before comment, and footer add. So you can just save it and our theme you will show it where you want to show. So we can check, I never check the our page speed, so website page speed check in front of you. Page is subset and comes here and put it here and search it. So this is the almost a big site. So check how many posts we have. Just click it, you will get to see. So almost 800 article already we have. 800 article we have already. So this is not a single small site. So check how much super fast is the loading. Also the category, also it's showing fine. So check automatically. We never used any extra plugin, so check how much fastest our website is. We never used any plugin for speed up. So check, there is no speed up plugin. Without the speed up plugin, only one theme can boost your speed, like check the boost of speed. Also implemented where is not any image, it will show default image, your site name. Check your default image. This post has no image, so our theme automatically showing you default image, your title in the default image. So best of luck. If you can want to use, so you can use it from my GitHub here, download it and make it the folder. So this is the folder name and you can use it. So best of luck. Any issue you can contact me.